I'm Congresswoman Zoe Lofgren, California's 18th District, and as you may know, I'm the co-chair of the Congressional Vietnam Caucus, alongside my colleagues Chris Smith, Lou Correa, and Michelle Steele. You know, the city of San Jose, which I represent, has the largest Vietnamese American population of any city outside of Vietnam. I hear concerning stories about Vietnam's human rights violations from community members frequently. And because I represent and have represented this community for so long, I personally know and am friends with people who have experienced the torture and the humiliation and the abuse that the communist government delivers to its people. Unfortunately, the Vietnamese communist government just continues to deny fundamental freedoms, including religious freedoms, to its citizens. So to everyone participating in this hearing, please know this: my colleagues and I will not stop fighting for human rights. We know from the continued reports that the government in Hanoi does not respect religious freedom. We have again reintroduced our bipartisan Vietnam Human Rights Act, and we did it this May. The bill would hold Vietnamese officials accountable for gross human rights abuses and help prioritize the protection of freedoms and the development of the rule of law in Vietnam. Congress should advance this legislation because it's in the best interest of the United States as well as Vietnam. Also, as a member of the Tom Lantos Commission on Human Rights, I have adopted various prisoners of conscience in Vietnam through their Defending Freedoms project. I'm going to continue to lend my name to these cases to bring attention to the suffering in Vietnam and to encourage the release of prisoners. I do want to thank you for bringing attention to these important issues during your hearing today. We must never stop raising our voices against Hanoi's actions. We must never stop advocating for human rights in Vietnam. And we must always stand together in this cause for freedom. Thank you.